In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit a template in DocuSign. Editing a DocuSign template can seem a bit daunting at first, but once you understand the process, it becomes a straightforward task. It's important to remember that you can only edit specific elements within the template directly in DocuSign. These include the recipients, the roles, the email template, and the fields on the document itself. Should you need to make alterations to the document's content, such as the text or layout, this will need to be done using other software like Microsoft Word or a PDF editor. After making any necessary changes to the document's content, you can effectively re-upload it to align with its existing template, and from there, make further adjustments to your fields. To begin editing your template, navigate over to the Templates tab within DocuSign. Once you're there, locate the specific template you wish to modify. You'll find a 3 dots icon. Click on it. This will provide you with a drop-down menu where you'll want to select the Edit option. This action will take you into the template's editing interface. At this stage, if you need to replace the document, you have the option to delete the existing one and re-upload the revised version, where you'll need to apply new fields. After handling the document itself, it's time to turn your attention to the recipients. Here you'll choose the individuals or entities whom you want to receive the document. Upon finalizing your recipient list, click Next to continue to the Fields Editor. In the Fields Editor, you'll have the opportunity to add, adjust, or remove fields according to the updated requirements of your document. This is where you can specify spots for signatures, dates, checkboxes, or any other field necessary for the completion of the document. Remember, if you have deleted and then re-uploaded the document, you might need to re-add any fields that were previously removed. This ensures your document will be filled out properly by all involved parties. And just like that, you've successfully edited your DocuSign template. Remember, the key to an efficient workflow is understanding which components can be directly edited within DocuSign and which require external tools. Make it a habit to review changes and confirm everything aligns correctly before finalizing and sending your document out. Thanks for joining me today to learn about editing templates in DocuSign. This skill can be an invaluable time saver, providing flexibility and streamlining your process. Happy editing, and I hope you find working with DocuSign as seamless as possible.